These lines import necessary libraries for using HashMap and map functionalities. The solution class is being defined here to encapsulate the solution logic. The toSum function finds a pair of indices in the nums array whose elements sum to the given target. A HashMap number to index is initialized to store each number from nums as a key and its index as a value. A loop iterates through each element in nums to find its complement required to reach the target. If the complement exists in number to index, it means a pair is found, returns their indices. If no pair is found after the loop, it throws an exception indicating no solution was found.